Hello, you are welcome to solve for s in this equation. 4 raised to power x is equal to 400. Solution. Then here we have 4 raised to power x is equal to 400. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 4 raised to power s is equal to log 400. Take note of this, that if you have log a raised to power b, this is equal to b log a. Then here we have x log 4 is equal to log 400. Let us divide both sides of this equation by log 4. This divided by log 4 and this divided by log 4. Log 4 cancel log 4. S is equal to log 400 divided by log 4. Now 400 is equal to 4 multiplied by 100. And here x is equal to log 4 multiplied by 100 divided by log 4. If you have log AB, this is equal to log A plus log B. This can be written as x is equal to log 4 plus log 100 over log 4. Then s is equal to log 4 over log 4 plus log 100 over log 4. This log 4 cancel this log 4. S is equal to 1 plus log 100 can be written as log 10 square over log 4. S is equal to 1 plus, this is 2. Log 10 can be written as log 5 multiplied by 2 over this log 4 can be written as log 2 square. And this is same thing as 1 plus 2 log 5 plus log 2, then is over 2 log 2. These two cancel these two. S is equal to 1 plus log 5 over log 2 plus log 2 over log 2. This log 2 cancel this log 2, 1. S is equal to 1 plus 1 plus log 5 over log 2. But if you have log A over log B, this is equal to log a base b. Therefore, x is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2, plus log 5 base 2. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 4 raised to power x is equal to 400. Then when x is 2 plus log 5 base 2, here is 4 raised to power 2 plus log 5 base 2 must be equal to 400. If you have a raised to power m plus n, here is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. This is 4 raised to power 2 multiplied by 4 raised to power log 5 base 2 must be equal to 400. 4 raised to power 2, this is 16, multiplied by this can be written as 2 raised to power 2 bracket log 5 base 2 must be equal to 400. Here is 16 multiplied by 2 raised to power. This can be written as log 5 square base 2 must be equal to 400. Here we have 16 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 square. This is 25 base 2 must be equal to 400. Note that if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to a. Then we have 16 multiplied by the whole of this is 25 must be equal to 400. Then 25 multiplied by 16, this is 400, is equal to 400, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.